Imagine sailing on calm waters when suddenly this happens. Gigantic waves, unstoppable storms, and terrifying sea disasters. Today, we bring you the most shocking ship incidents caught on camera.
Peace.
That was nice, man. That was nice, man.
This is what nightmares at sea look like. A monstrous 100-foot rogue wave suddenly appears in the North Atlantic, smashing into this massive cargo ship.
Oh, man. Oh. Oh, jeez. That was a good one, all right.
The force is so extreme that it cracks windows and floods parts of the deck. The ship struggles, but miraculously, the crew survives. Now imagine being on vacation when a Category 5 hurricane suddenly strikes. This luxury cruise ship was caught in the middle of the storm with 150-mile-per-hour winds and waves over 50 feet high.
The ship was headed to the Bahamas, but the captain decided to turn back to New Jersey. A Florida senator is calling for an investigation. He's questioning why the ship headed right into a forecasted storm. The cruise line is promising to make it up to passengers. It's giving everyone a full refund and a 50% discount on a future cruise.
Furniture is flying, water is flooding the decks, and terrified passengers hold on for dear life.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Iceberg collision like Titanic.
It's a big glacier. We're hitting the glacier.
Oh gosh. Ah! Oh, we are hitting it.
History almost repeated itself when this ship, sailing in Arctic waters, collided with a massive iceberg. The ship's hull cracked, and freezing water started pouring in.
Тонны льда.
Thankfully, modern safety systems helped prevent another Titanic-style disaster. This footage is absolutely terrifying. A massive tsunami approaches a ferry carrying hundreds of passengers. As the As the walls of water crash in, the ship tilts dangerously. People on board start praying for their lives as rescue teams race against time.
At around 9:30 p.m. Sunday night, the first call came into the LeCount Volunteer Fire Department of a massive fire off of the I-49 Turkey Creek exit in Cheneyville. 5 fire departments from Rapides and Evangeline Parish responded to what was an oil tank site that had been struck by lightning from the evening storm.
Lightning strikes are rare at sea, but when they hit, the consequences are devastating. This massive oil tanker was caught in a violent storm when suddenly, boom! A huge lightning bolt ignites part of the ship, causing panic on board. With highly flammable cargo, a disaster was moments away. From rogue waves to deadly storms, these terrifying moments remind us of the ocean's power. Which of these disasters shocked you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And if you love crazy nature moments, hit that subscribe button so you never miss a video.
Yeah.